Hello guys, welcome back. So today I will give you a character of Batista as I got a request from the king to make a Batista character. So if you are new to my channel, subscribe and like this video if you like this video. So let's move on to the video. Let's first review the character and then go to the downloading section. So I will show you the Batista and Batista's hand file. So if you want the tutorial for this character making, please comment below. I will make one. If you want, you can see you must make the hand and the body correctly, place it correctly, or else it won't be able to work perfectly. So I took about 2 hours for the character making a day. That is, the main job to make a character is to first find the image of the character. That is so tough. That is a great job, and for drawing it would take about half an hour, and for making the character it is a great job. That is, I took about 2 to 3 hours. That is the maximum you work on it, you will get a better result. First time when I started my YouTube channel, I don't know how to make any characters, and the best way to make the character is that you find it by yourself. Any tutorial video can make you more improve your characters, so find it by yourself. So let's move on to the downloading section. So go to the link in the description. The link is in the description, check below, and download both the ATA files, Batista and Batista's hand ATA file. You can see both the ATA files in my official site. You can check it. There are many other WWE and other characters. So if you are new to my channel, subscribe and like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, bye, see you in another video.